Welcome back to Baking Class Episode 3. Today we will be making granola. To make basic granola, you are going to need some oats, some crystallized honey or normal honey, and some peanut butter. Some extra things you can add are coconut, chia seeds, macadamia nuts, chocolate chips, and apricots. I'm going to add in about a cup of oats. And you're going to add some peanut butter, not too much, a tablespoon at a time, and then some honey to taste. I actually placed 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and 2 tablespoons of honey. You're going to place your granola on a parchment paper lined baking sheet and place it into a 300 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 25 minutes. Now we are going to be making chocolate macadamia coconut granola. You're going to need a cup and a half of oats, 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut, 3 tablespoons of macadamia nuts, and however much chocolate chips you want. But do not put the chocolate chips mixed in with the granola just yet because you don't want melted chocolate chips. Put them in after you make the granola and you let it cool off. Mine for about 30 minutes, just until it's dry. This is how my macadamia coconut chocolate one turned out. We're just going to spoon that into a container, and I'm now going to add in the chocolate chips since my granola has cooled off. You can serve it with some yogurt, put it in some milk, or just eat it by the handful. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and it came out good for you. Enjoy!